a lot. NBC News Repair Café on YouTube. Just type in NBC News and Repair Cafe after it, and it'll bring up the video. And what happens is we act as coaches. So if somebody brings something in, we look it over quickly, and then we hand them a screwdriver and say, "Hey, take the screws out of the back of this thing." And so we don't let the people sit there and watch us. So not only do we do all kinds of stuff gets worked on. Jewelry, we have people that come up and do jewelry and sewing and woodwork. In fact, we got a guy locally that comes with a welding truck. I mean, he's got a big box truck with welding stuff in it, and he welds. So, so we really have a fun time, with all the people that fixing stuff. Another recent one down in Yorktown, I was working. The guy brought in a sound bar for audio, for TV or something like that, and it didn't work. And then I showed him how to tell whether his remote controls were working right or not by aiming it at a cell phone camera. You could see the light of the remote control if it's working. So after we were kind of done, we didn't fix it, and he says, "Hey, you know what? I want to interview you for an article." He says, "I'm editor of a newspaper down here in Yorktown." So sure enough, we sat down and he asked me a bunch of questions and wrote a really nice article. So that was kind of cool.